Hi students, welcome to my channel DPOJ classes, and now I am starting the chapter 3 of class 8. It is also important for class 6 and 7. So chapter name is quadrilaterals, and we have to start from polygons. What is polygon? Polygon, the simple closed curve which is made up of only line segments, is called polygon. वैसा सिंपल क्लोज कर्व जो केवल लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर बनता है उसको हम लोग पॉलीगन बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलीगन्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. फर्स्ट विल बी ट्रायंगल, सेकंड विल बी क्वाड्रिलेटरल. फर्स्ट विल बी ट्रायंगल as it has 3 sides, so it is triangle. And quadrilateral, the polygon made up of 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. Next will be pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, and decagon. There are many polygons you can write. So on the basis of shape, there are 2 types of polygons. First, I have written polygon. Its definition: the simple closed curve which is made up of only line segments is called polygon. Okay, and polygon is on the basis of shape. There are 2 types: concave polygon and convex polygon. And what is concave polygon? The polygon having at least one interior angle is more than 90 degree. जिसका interior angle, at least one interior angle more than 90 degree होता है, उसको हम लोग concave polygon बोलेंगे. और इसका फिगर ये हो सकता है in the form of arrowhead is one of its example. And convex polygon, the polygon whose all its interior angles less than 180 degree is called convex polygon. वैसा पॉलीगन जिसमें इसका सभी इंटीरियर एंगल्स, उस पॉलीगन का सभी इंटीरियर एंगल्स 180 से कम हो, उसको हम लोग कन्वेक्स पॉलीगन बोलेंगे. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल. सो लेट्स erase this all, and I hope you have noted all the points. Started? Okay, students. Quadrilateral. You have to know about quadrilateral. I have told you on the basis of number of sides, quadrilateral is one of its side, one of its shape, one of its kind, and polygon has many kinds on the basis of number of sides, as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and many more. So quadrilateral is one of its kind. And what is quadrilateral? The polygon made up of, I have written here, the polygon made up of 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. ये वैसा polygon जिसमें 4 sides, जो 4 sides से मिलके बनता है, उसको हम लोग quadrilateral बोल सकते हैं. And there are mainly two properties of quadrilateral, and these properties are angle sum property and exterior angle property. There are 2 properties. Then what is angle sum properties? The sum of all the 4 angles. You know, a quadrilateral has only 4 angles. So the sum of all the 4 angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. And exterior angle property, just about the exterior angle property. And exterior angle property, the sum of all the 4 exterior angles. And you know there are 4 interior angles, then it is possible that quadrilateral has 4 exterior angles also. So the sum of all the 4 exterior angles is 360 degree. Okay. Then there are 4 interior angles whose sum is 360 degree. There are 4 exterior angles whose sum is 360 degree. Let's begin the next topic. Start. Okay, students. Let's begin kinds of quadrilateral. There are many kinds of quadrilateral. And quadrilateral has mainly 3 kinds, mainly 3 kinds. And first will be parallelogram, second will be kite, and third will be trapezium. There are 3 mainly kinds: parallelogram, kite, and trapezium. Parallelogram has 2 kinds: rectangle and rhombus. Parallelogram has 2 kinds: rectangle and rhombus. This is the flow chart of quadrilateral. You have to understand. So kite has one special kind, that is arrowhead. Kite has one special kind, that is arrowhead, and trapezium has two kinds, isosceles trapezium and ascalon trapezium. Trapezium has two kinds, isosceles trapezium and ascalon trapezium. Now I have to explain all the definitions and properties of these all kinds of quadrilaterals. Now let's begin this topic.
Start.
And rectangle rhombus has properties, their properties. Rectangle and rhombus has their properties. If their properties mix with one another, then one kind of quadrilateral is formed, that is called a square. A square has both properties of rectangle and rhombus. A square में rectangle और rhombus दोनों का property included होता है. तो रेक्टेंगल और रोम्बस का एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो जाता है, स्क्वायर हो जाता है. और मैं बारी बारी से सबका डेफिनेशन और प्रॉपर्टीज बताने जा रहा हूं. देन लेट्स बिगिन दैट टॉपिक.
Start.
Okay students, parallelogram is one of its kinds of quadrilateral. So what is its definition? A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram. And there are many properties of parallelogram. First is opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is in the definition also. And second will be opposite angles are equal. The let ABCD is a parallelogram. I have drawn this figure. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. AD equals to BC and AD parallel to BC. AB equals to DC and AB parallel to DC. Opposite angles are equal. Angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D. Diagonals bisect each other. If diagonals are drawn, then these diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals will be bisected one another. डायगोनल जो है एक दूसरे से कट जाता है. ये इसके इक्वल होता है और ये इसके इक्वल होता है. नेक्स्ट, a diagonal bisect it into two congruent triangles. If you are drawing one diagonal, any one diagonal, either AC or BD, then it divides the whole parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Okay, these all are the properties of parallelogram.
Start.
Okay. Rectangle, the parallelogram having each angle a right angle. रेक्टेंगल उसको बोलेंगे, रेक्टेंगल एक ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम है जिसका प्रत्येक एंगल 90 का होता है. तो इट फॉलोज ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. It follows all the properties. We have already studied about the properties of parallelogram. So rectangle is kind of parallelogram and it follows all the properties of parallelogram. So rectangle follows all the properties of parallelogram. It has additional property that its all the angles are of 90 degree. So its each angle is right angle. Next is properties of rectangle. The each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. This is a special property of rectangle. Diagonals are equal. Next, rhombus. Just about rhombus. So parallelogram whose all the sides are equal. The parallelogram which follows all the properties of parallelogram and it has one additional property that its all the sides are equal. Now let's see properties of rhombus. It follows, firstly you have to know, it follows all the properties of parallelogram because it is the kind of parallelogram. So all sides are equal. Rhombus has all sides equal and diagonals bisect at right angles. Let's draw a figure of rectangle. Rectangle has each angle 90 degree. Okay, and diagonals are equal. These diagonals AC and BD, A, B, C, D. Then AC equals to BD, AC equals to BD. Diagonals are equal, and follows all the properties of parallelogram. And just about rhombus, this is rhombus, and it has all sides equal, and diagonals bisect at right angles. This is very important properties, students. This is very important properties for rhombus. You have to face many questions on that. That diagonals of rhombus bisect at right angle. Bisect at means this will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this one, and they bisect at right angles, means at exactly at 90 degree. Okay. So it has two properties: all sides are equal and diagonals bisect at right angles. Now let's see another.
Start.
Okay, students. Let's see about a square. I have already told you that a square is the combination of properties of rectangle and rhombus. So we have to see the definition. The rectangle whose all the sides are equal. It is the special property of rectangle. So we can tell that the rectangle whose all the sides are equal is called a square. It follows all the properties of a rectangle as well as rhombus also. Now let's see properties of a square. All the sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. Here is a square. Diagonals are equal. AC and BD are equal. Diagonals bisect at right angles also. Diagonals bisect at right angles. Okay. Next is kite. Quadrilateral having only two pairs of adjacent sides equal is called kite. A quadrilateral having only two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Let's see. This type of this pair of adjacent sides means AD equals to DC. They are adjacent sides added together. So AD equals to DC, and here also AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC. Two pairs of adjacent sides equal. The quadrilateral whose two pairs of adjacent sides equal is called kite, and they are the properties of kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides equal. One diagonal is bisected by other at right angles. एक डायगोनल जो है दूसरे डायगोनल के द्वारा राइट एंगल पर बाइसेक्ट होता है. I have drawn this figure as AC is bisected by BD at right angles. Okay, I hope you all have understood very well all the properties of these quadrilaterals. Let's see another one.
Start.
Okay, students, this is the last kind of quadrilateral, that is trapezium. Its name is trapezium, and the quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel, whose only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, is called trapezium. I have written the definition of trapezium here, and properties of trapezium are: it has one pair of opposite sides parallel, only one pair of opposite sides parallel, and in the case of isosceles, you know there are two types of trapezium: isosceles trapezium and scalene trapezium. Then in the case of isosceles trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal, and in the case of scalene trapezium, there its non-parallel sides are not equal. So I have drawn two figures here, A, B, C, D. It is isosceles trapezium. It has one pair of parallel sides, AD parallel to BC, and they are non-parallel side AB and DC. If they are equal, then it is isosceles trapezium. This is isosceles trapezium because AB equals to DC. These are non-parallel sides and non-parallel sides are equal. So this is isosceles trapezium. Okay. Next will be, this is also trapezium, but here non-parallel sides are not equal. Non-parallel sides are not equal. So it is scalene trapezium. Okay. So it is scalene trapezium. It has only one pair of parallel sides, so it is trapezium. But non-parallel sides are not equal, so it is scalene trapezium. Now one point have been left for your questions, for your making questions, and one topic is left, and that topic is what is the formula for is it covered?
Yes.
Formula formula to find angle sum property, angle sum of any polygon. You have to find the formula to find angle sum of any polygon. किसी भी polygon का, चाहे वो triangle हो या more than triangle हो, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, any more, अगर कुछ भी हो, अगर उसका फॉर्मूला आपको चाहिए जिससे आप एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, एंगल सम फाइंड कर सकते हो, उसका टोटल एंगल्स क्या होता है, तो बस नंबर ऑफ साइड्स अगर आपको याद रहेगा तो आप उसको फाइंड कर सकते हो. इफ द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इज n, if the number of sides is n, then formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. In the case of triangle, find in the case of triangle, there are three sides, AB, BC and CA. Therefore, angle sum equals to 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, and it will be 1 into 180 degree equals to 180. This is angle sum of this triangle. Then, students, this is your chapter quadrilaterals you have studied, and if you are liking to watch this video,